What's up guys, Berkley Pro, Daniel Elias here, and today I'm gonna show you how to fish the Berkley Power Switch. So one of my favorite ways to fish this bait is vertically for suspended bass that you see on Forward Sonar. So what you can do is you drop it down on their head and the bait gets down very, very fast where you can get it in front of them very quickly, and you'll bring them in a lot of times with really large pops of the rod. And as you see the fish coming in, you can slow that down to smaller twitches of the bait. And if they get closer, you can pause it and really just kind of hover that bait in front of the fish. The great thing about the Berkley Power Switch is it's very, very versatile in the techniques that you can use to catch them. The tail has just the right action to really trigger those fish into biting this bait. So you can fish it subtly and just have very small twitches of the rod, and that tail really draws them in and triggers those fish into biting. So I like to pop it, kind of almost like a jigging spoon, and then let it sit still, sometimes put a little action in it. Sometimes that's when you get hit, is when you pause it. Like that one. Whew. Look at that, Berkley Power Switch fish. That's how you get it done on the Power Switch.